Hi there. So today I'm gonna go over the trade that I took in the morning session. Actually, a couple of buy entries. Just there's a daily time frame. So price just swept the significant high. Important high has been swept. So I didn't get anything here for me to look up for. So I don't see anything here. Just sweep the buy side. So I can look up for some sort of selling opportunity until to this point. This was my plan in the morning. In 4 hours, to be honest, we come back. I don't see uh, nothing specific in 4 hours. In 1 hour as well, I didn't see anything. This kind of structure shift, big displacement, come and retested it. Here it gives some sort of insights. Structure shift, big displacement, come and retest this breaker. Start to move up. Fail to take this high. Price just stopped here. Come all the way back. So this is the current dealing range for us. Low, high. Price failed to take this high. Take this low. Start to consolidate inside this range. So inside this range, I took my entry. So I just moved to 15 minute. In 15 minute, um, we can see clearly this thing. This is the current. Just delete this. I don't want to add this in my chart. Okay. This is the current move to the downside. The current leg, current dealing range, right? So price failed to take this high. Failed to take this low. It's just kind of consolidation. Once the inside this range, once the internal sell side liquidity has been taken, this is you clearly know, right? This is external. This is external buy side, external sell side, internal buy side, internal sell side. So this is internal sell side liquidity. In 15 minutes, what just happened here? It's dumb clear for me when I was in the market. You can clearly see the equal highs which generated in the hot session, Asian and London session. It's clear. It's printed an equal high. Come all the way down. Take out this high. Swap the internal. Once the internal has been swept, price rebalance to this recent fair value gap. Come all the way back. Engineering the liquidity. Swap. Big displacement structure shift. Fair value gap get flipped to the upside. So at this point of time, internal sell side has been taken, big displacement to the upside. So I'm going to look for buy and I can target this equal high. This was my plan. And I marked out the 15 minutes fair value gap. I marked out this 15 minutes fair value gap. So this is where I started looking for buy opportunity, targeting the equal highs. This is internal, no, this is the internal sell side. This is the internal sell side and this is just equal highs. So let's see. So 5 minutes. It was like super clear. In 5 minutes, it's just a first manipulation after taking the sweeping the sell side. Price sweep the first leg, structure shift, big displacement to the upside. So people might buy here, sweep, structure shift after taken out the sell side, internal sell side. People might buy here, but it's just a manipulation. In 15 minutes, it's just a move towards the fair value gap, just to filling that recent fair value gap. Come all the way down, engineering the liquidity here. Engineering the liquidity here. Here it gets swept. Here it gives a structure shift. After this manipulation move, is the first structure shift. It didn't work. Manipulated all the way down. Swept the engineered the liquidity swept. Now we use the structure shift. That structure shift, it's really authentic. Move all the way up towards this range. Okay. So once I marked out this 15 minutes fair value, 15 minutes fair value, what I did in the morning, is I move all the way down towards the 1 minute. So this is the 50% of the fair value. So I just start to sell off towards the downside. I marked out this fair value gap. I marked out this fair value gap. The reason one, I come all the way down, tap the 15 minute, go all the way up. If this value getting flipped, I can go for an buy entry. That was my plan in the morning, but it didn't get flipped. Instead, start to sell off to the downside. Then what I did is I deleted this fair value gap and I then marked out this recent fair value gap. So this recent fair value gap, come all the way down, go up, respected, come and sweep the low, tap the 50% of the 50 minutes fair value gap, then it's move all the way up, give the structure shift. Once I identified this displacement plus structure shift, I entered my first position here, keep the stop at the low. So this was my entry. So this was my entry, this was my stop. I like to see this fair value to flip, this fair value to flip to the price just keep on going towards upside to take my equal highs. That was my plan in the morning. Until this point, everything has been so good. This is just ensuring the liquidity, swept the liquidity, give structure shift, parallel gap flipped. So this parallel gap, this everything has been flipped, big displacement to the upside. So I don't like to see any place close below this range until my equal highs get taken. This was my plan. So I executed my first position here. Unfortunately, that position has been closed at this point. Unfortunately, at this point, I'm not intentionally closed it, but it's somehow closed. When I was setting my stop loss, I just move my stop loss from this point to this point. Once I see this much displacement, so I don't like to see any place close below this range, so I move my stop to this point. So at that point, like it accidentally closed. So I'm up 1% for the day. Everything's so good, but still I have a beautiful room to upside. I can still look for some sort of buy, right? So this is my first entry. So second entry, once it closed to the upside, this was a big bullish candles. This was the big bullish candles, flipping all the fair gap. So I confidently like to see higher prices. So what I did is what I did is inside this leg, this was the beautiful fair gap. So once it started respected, I entered my first position, put the stop at the low. But it gets stopped out. I entered my position here, put the stop loss at this fair gap, but it gets stopped out and close again. Okay. Its fair price stopped me out and closed above. So again I entered here, put the stop loss at the low. Once I see the continuation, I entered one more position. I see this beautifully fold. Entered. Everything has been stopped out now. So my first entry here stopped me out. My second entry and third entry stopped me out. I still stayed inside the range. So I go for fifth entry here. And it worked all the way up to this range. And still it's not take out my equal highs. What I did is I closed some of my positions around this once this big. I did have 5 minutes earlier. Once it get flipped, I closed my partial. I get my partials here. Stupid trade management. To be honest, stupid trade management. I'm not doing anything correct today. Revenge trading. A lot of stupid shit happened today. Even though it give 1:2, how much? Even though it give 1:2, even though it give 1:2, I didn't close the position. That's what I did today. So it's inside this file here, place just engineering the liquidity. Then again, print table highs, right? Engineering the liquidity. Print table highs, come all the way down, swept. Now it's start to get displaced. So lot of stupid shit happened. My initial stop never get approached for the whole day, and my take profit the equal highs has been approached and price keep on expanding higher, but not in my time frame. In the evening right now it's keep on going higher. But during my session it was completely up and down, complete choppy. Not even choppy. It's kind of chopping up and down. Go higher, come down, lower, go. So this is where the whole chain reaction started. This entry, this 1, 2, 3, 4. This 3 was a loser. This was a winner. And I not even closed this position here. I closed it here. And one more position as I just set it in break even. As I changed my stop loss to this point, and it's also got approached. So here I make 1%. In these 3 losses, I give back all my profits. Here I again up 1.5%. I didn't close book my profits here. I wait for this side to take. I started reverse, flip the fair value gaps. I closed my. I got fear, scared. Closed my first position, $48, and second position approached my break even. That's it. Worst break even. Sorry, worst trade management. Not closing my position exactly at where I need to close, where I should close. So last manipulation candle will be for the structure shift. So this is going to be my stop. This is going to be my take profit one. It approached. Sorry, it approached multiple times, but I didn't close it. I was too adamant to hold my trade to this point. That was the big mistake for the day. But still, it approached, but not where I exactly expected. It was happening right now. But when I was expected in the morning time, it just go up and down, just go on up and down. And this big 15 minutes level here never get flipped, never get filled half, never get filled. So just stay above this 50 percentage. No price close below this range. Get swept, go up. Beautifully hold this price inside this range, and even the 3 minutes value up still holding the price. I was super dumb today. I had to have some take profit rule. If my execution is here, I have to take my take profit here. This is where I need to take my take profit. Everything is so good, but I was too adamant to hold my position, not closing it exactly where I need to close. What happened here? Come all the way down. This 3 minutes level here, holding the price, engineering the liquidity, swept again, started displace higher. Take this out, print high, come again, reprice to swing low, go all the way up, sweep the liquidity, structure shift, family gap, tab, come all the way down, sweep the low, again start to go up, print equal high, go up, fail to sweep, just print equal highs, come all the way down, tab, take up this low has been taken, go up, this low has been taken, tap this fair value gap, start to displace higher, go all the way up, flip all the fair value gaps, go and take out my target. So it is what it is. I have messed up today. Even though my analysis was right, even though my entry was correct, I missed my move. I was super adamant today, not doing something which I'm supposed to do. Yeah, structure shoot, big displacement, this fair value gap. There is no candle close below this level. Just keep on respecting. Rejected. Come all the way down, tap exactly at the 50%. There is no price come or close below the 50%. So every prices stay above 50%. If any, if that this was my initial stop, right? So there is no price approaches this point until my take profit hit. This is the engineer liquidity, and also, and this is also a, what is that? This is also a London high, Asia high, London high, come all the way down. Take this, take this Asia low, London low, then it manipulated to the upside. Go all the way up, take the high. So it is what it is, bro. I messed it up today. A lot of stupid shit happened today. I promise not gonna happen anymore. I'm going to fix my rules, problems, mistakes, everything. So today, hereafter, I have to have my take profit plan, stop loss plan, and everything. So this is it. We'll see in the morning.